Is this a 12? No, this is a 24. This one wasn't $45. Hold on. Okay, so I have the 24-day one right here, but I was reading off the 12-day one, so we're just gonna do the 12-day one. What is up, you guys, and welcome to my channel, and welcome to the 4th installment of the Advent Calendar unboxing. Today we shall be doing the E.L.F, the Snow Much Fun. I actually got two different E.L.F Advent calendars, but this one's the 24-day one, so this is what we're going to be doing first. If you guys are excited to get into this Advent calendar and you're enjoying while you're watching, make sure you give the video a thumbs up because it does help me out tremendously, and it makes me feel good. It warms my soul. But if you're new here, my name is Jessi May, and I upload makeup videos, unboxings, as well as some lifestyle vlogs. So make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't, and that little notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads, as well as, you know, the marathon of unboxing. Let's just kind of dive right on into this because we got, you know, with 24 days to go. So this Advent calendar from E.L.F was $45, and it has a retail value. I don't know what that laugh was, but a retail value of $55. So one of the worst values I have unboxed so far. And I'm looking at my box full of Advent calendar boxes, and I mean, even honestly, I think the Sephora has a higher retail value than this E.L.F one. But you know what? We're just gonna, we bought it anyways. We're gonna unbox it for you guys. Here is our E.L.F Advent calendar, you know, the 24 days. Obviously everything in here is going to be E.L.F. Is this a 12? No, this is a 24. This one wasn't $45. Hold on. Okay, so I have the 24-day one right here, but I was reading off the 12-day one, so we're just gonna do the 12-day one. So like I said, this was $45, the retail value is $55, and this is the 12-day one, not the 24-day calendar. I do have that too, you just saw that. But let's just go on and get right on into this because where's one? One is right here. And we ripped her. That's okay. I'm still ripping her. Still ripping. Just you know, just rip the whole thing. So first in here we have the E.L.F. And again, everything in here is going to be E.L.F. So telling myself, you don't need to say it's E.L.F. But this is the Wow Brow Natural Brow, I almost said liner. But it's just your eyebrow, and it's got a little spoolie here. I like how little and cute the spoolie is. I don't know if they would have been better off putting possibly like a clear, that just went in my hair, a clear, because this shade is not going to work for everybody. And I mean, some might say it's a universal. I don't know if I believe that. On day number 2 is right here. These are hard to get out. I like prying it out with the knife, you know. Don't do that. Alright, so next we have a Seriously Satin lipstick. Ooh, that's really, I'm gonna give you guys a swatch. Not as dark as it is swatched, but a really pretty plum color. Never tried a E.L.F lipstick, so excited to try one of those. I feel like all my energy just got drained because I grabbed the wrong box at first, and I know that's a silly, just a silly, you know, just silly. It's silly. Day number 3. We're just kind of just ripping everything. Day number 3. It didn't say if you were getting all full size or sample size, but I think it's... He made it so hard. Dang it. Alright, so next for day number 3, we have the Holy Hydration Face Cream. I've tried, honestly, from E.L.F, a lot of different things, but not so much any of really like their facial like moisturizer or anything. I did do the whole E.L.F mint collection. For the most part, I got everything in that collection. You know, if you really are curious, you can check that in the eye and possibly down in the description. I'm more better off putting it in the eye. Because E.L.F is such an affordable brand, if it works, you know what? It might be a new go-to. Might be. I don't know, I have my staples, so it's looking very fallish outside, and I love it. Anyway, moving on to day 4, E.L.F gave to us, ooh, an eyeshadow palette. The best part for me, you know, maybe not you. I do not own this one. This one is in the Berry Bad. Oh wait, do I own this one? I might actually own this one. Battery might die on us. But I do own it, and I used it multiple times. So it's just a berry palette. And it comes with your 4 shadows. I'm going fast because, like I said, my battery might die. Highly pigmented, highly great. It's $3 for the palette. It is an affordable value for the palette, and the shades are very pigmented. And they do pretty much last all day if you use the right eyeshadow primer. So, day number 5 is down here. My battery is flashing, so I'm trying to see how much I can get done. Day 5, we have, oh, a brush. This is just like a little shadow brush. So far, a perfect little, I mean, we're almost getting a full face of product right here. Day number 6. Ooh, she's pretty. This is looks like a liquid, I want to say, she's so cold. Yeah, a liquid glitter shadow. So it's just like a topper that, ooh, that is icy. Oh. Perfect for Christmas. Super white, super glittery. I don't know, honestly, if I've ever tried one of their liquid shadows like that. Liquid shadows are not my thing. But definitely I will give her a try, especially since I just, you know, swatched it. And unless I'm passing it on to my sister or something, nobody else is going to want that. Day number 7. Maybe, oh, it's one of the putty primers. And this is the Luminous Putty Primer. I have the regular one and then, honestly, the acne one. Acne one's probably my favorite because I'm acne prone. But this is the Luminous one, so let's see. Ooh, oh. There was shadow on my finger, so now I put it in my putty. That's alright. That's just phenomenal. We'll have to clean that up after, but here's like it's on my hand. You do get a little bit of a sheer to it, like a little glow. And there is little specks of glitter in it. I don't know if the camera's going to pick up the specks of glitter. However, I'm a little disappointed in that one. They should have just put the regular one in there. My guess is the illuminated one wasn't selling very well, so that's why it's in an advent calendar. Anyways, number 8 looks like a long tube of some sort. Maybe a spray. Oh, who called it? This is the E.L.F. makeup mist and spray. I wonder if it's got a good mister. Oh, it does. It's not heavily fragranced, but there's no additive fragrance to it, if that makes sense. It just smells like skincare. On day number 9. Uh-oh. Don't do this to me. We're on a time limit. Day number 9. Alright, on the 9th day for the 12 days of E.L.F. I can't get it out, man. We have the Ride or Die Lip Balm, and it looks, I almost said the shade grapefruit, but it's the scent, flavor scent. That is very grapefruity. I don't know how to redo this. This is my 3rd time doing this. Okay, because so the first time my battery died. The second time, my microphone wasn't on. Needs to be turned this way. So this was my 3rd time doing this ending part, and I'm just a little frazzled. So anyway, we do have the grapefruit. It's called Grapefruit Goals. It's the Ride or Die, like a lip balm. It smells pretty nice. I haven't tried it on my lips because I got already color and stuff. So day number 10, we have a super bright, it's not even bright. This is a lip gloss, and it looks like we have the shade Bubbles Bullies. If you guys care, I think this color originally came in the 12 days, and this color came in the 24 days. I got a little confused, and then, I didn't get confused because my microphone died. Halfway through this one, I did the 24 days almost all the way through, realized my microphone wasn't picking up, had to redo that one, and then realized I had to redo the ending to this one. So one of these came in the 12 day, and one of these came in the 24 day. I think this came in the 12 day and this came in the 24 day, but if you watch my 24 day, this came in the 24, you know what I mean? Either way, you got a lip gloss. On day number 11, I don't know if I got my joke. Oh, there's gotta be a beauty sponge, but you know what? It's a beauty sponge. And the best part about this sponge, it's got its own original shape to it. I'm hoping it'll come back to its full shapeness, you know, like a normal e.L.F. sponge. But however, if not, you know, I got a fancy little corner, or for your inner corner of your eye, right there. Alright, and then lastly, on our 12 days of E.L.F. Advent Calendar, the Snow Much More Fun, or no, Snow and Loves You More, we have an eyelash curler. Alright, that's pretty much it for the 12 days of E.L.F., I guess. I mean, that is it for the 12 days of the Snow One Loves You More Advent Calendar from E.L.F. I think it was a decently good box. I actually really enjoyed this box. I mean, to get, you know, a bite-sized eyeshadow palette, that's great. Phenomenal. Loved that. Like to get a little makeup spray. Basically everything in this advent calendar, you can kind of do like a full face of E.L.F. That's, you know, I love it. However, the retail value for the price of the box is not all that great, but they are offering gifts right now. So when you place an order of $45 or more, you get 2 free gifts, and they're full size. And these retail roughly about $5 a piece, so then that brings this retail value up to like $65. So you paid $45 for the box, and you got $65 worth of product. I think that's not too shabby. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions down in the comments below. I'm sorry if my energy got a little bit low down at the, you know, ending of this box, or this unboxing. Anyway, I hope you guys did enjoy. Let me know all your thoughts and opinions. Did you pick this up? Did you get the 24 one? Were you going to get either? Do you think E.L.F. is not worth it? I don't know. Let me know any of your thoughts and opinions down in the comments section below. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking this link right here. And if you want to binge watch some of my other content, or, you know, just hang out a little bit longer, go ahead and click one of these links right here. I love you guys. Thank you again so much for taking the time to watch. I'll catch you in my next video. Make sure, you know, you don't miss any of the other advent calendar unboxings. Bye!